I was parked. I wasn't even moving. How can that be a DUI?
The question we're talking about today has confused a lot of Louisianians. Can you get a DWI, or what most people call a DUI, without actually driving in Louisiana? The short answer, yes, you absolutely can. The Louisiana law does not require the vehicle to be moving for you to be charged, but there's a key legal concept. I'm going to go home and I'm going to break down all these concepts so you can better protect yourself in the law in Louisiana. In Louisiana, the law for impaired driving is formally called driving while intoxicated, or DWI, and it's defined in the Louisiana Revised Statute 1498. This statute criminalizes the operation of any motor vehicle, aircraft, watercraft, or any conveyance when the operator is impaired. The term operation is interpreted very broadly in Louisiana courts, often using the test of actual physical control. What does that mean? It means a police officer can charge you with a DWI if you're impaired and you have the potential to operate the vehicle. Keyword potential to operate the vehicle. Even if you are stopped, parked, or asleep, that's a big one. The most common examples that led to a charge without driving include sitting in the driver's seat with the keys in the ignition. Even if the engine is off, the keys are in the ignition. It can suggest that you are in control and could start the car at any moment. Number two, sleeping in the car with the engine running. Many people try to sleep it off in the parked car. If the engine is running, even to power or the air conditioner or the heat, you're considered to be in actual physical control of operating the vehicle, and you can be arrested. Number three, if you're sleeping in the driver's seat with the keys accessible. Even if the car is off, having the keys on your lap or in your hand while in the driver's seat can still be enough evidence for a charge. The legal principles around the physical control have been a part of Louisiana law for decades, based on the court interpretation that recognizes the danger of an intoxicated person who is merely resting but ready to drive. The best way to avoid a DUI charge in this situation is to be a passenger. Or if you must be the driver, you got to have the keys far away from the ignition and in the driver's area, like secured in a trunk, and they won't be able to say anything.
People are surprised by this, but yes, you can be charged with a DUI even when the car isn't moving. In many states, it's called being in actual physical control.
That's a law around DWIs. But here's an interesting fact. Because the statute covered other means of conveyance, you can technically get a DWI in Louisiana on other things that are not cars, like a motorized scooter, a boat, which is funny enough called BWI, boating while intoxicated, or even an aircraft. Honestly, ignorance of the law is not a defense, but knowing the law is your best protection. If you want to keep up with the rules that govern life on the roads and the waterways of the Bayou State, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. We're going to be back next time with another Louisiana law.